Most people get virtual business addresses wrong by thinking they are just for mail forwarding. But Regus offers a full suite of services including professional business addresses, mail handling, and access to co-working spaces. Today, I'm sharing my usage experience, so you know exactly what to expect. Regus provides a physical business address that can be used for company registration, marketing materials, and legal correspondence. When I signed up, the process was simple. Select a location, verify your details, and start using the address immediately. Most people get this wrong by assuming setup takes weeks, but Regus is fast and professional. Mail handling is convenient. Regus notifies you when mail arrives, and you can choose to have it scanned, forwarded, or held for pickup. This saves time and adds a layer of privacy. The surprising truth is that having a prestigious business address can enhance credibility, especially for startups for small businesses. Pricing starts at around $50 per month, depending on location and services. It's higher than basic mail forwarding services, but the trade-off is a professional image, optional access to meeting rooms, and administrative support. Most people underestimate the value of presentation when building client trust. In conclusion, Regus virtual business addresses are ideal for entrepreneurs who want a professional presence without renting office space. You get more than just a mailing address. You get credibility, convenience, and optional workspace support. Subscribe for more honest service reviews to help you grow your business smarter.